And then if you're talking about STEAM education, so science, technology, engineering, art, and math, you can bring drones and art together. And I think there's a couple of different great ways that you can do that. So I shared a couple of ideas here. One thing though I want to say, when we were trying to, when we were first starting to use the term STEAM education, and people, there was like, what does the A really mean? And before it was sort of accepted on that it was going to be art, I was just trying to get it to push to be aviation. So in my head, sometimes I still say aviation. The A in STEAM, so drones and art, we can, again, you can go back to Drone Blocks. They have, it's a drone dance type course in there. And what that does is it teaches you how to program the drone so you can choreograph it with music. So you can put together choreography, have the drone do certain things, and it will follow along with the beat of the music. So I thought that was really cool. I thought that was a really great way to integrate drones and art together. Some other ideas are to teach your students about drone video and photo production. So the students can capture some aerial images and videos, and then you can help them learn how to use digital editing software to create video productions. You can do this with a Tello EDU, or any drone really with that has a camera. Another idea is to create paintings from aerial images. So these students go out, they collect some aerial images, and then they could create paintings. They could use colored pencils, whatever, but they could create those images from their aerial images. And then as you're getting into a little bit more higher tech software and higher tech drones, there's a piece of software called Pix4D. And this is some software that you can use for 3D modeling. You're getting a little bit more advanced skill sets here, but this is definitely something to look into if you're teaching 3D modeling and you want to and you have a budget for that technology.